A signal appears inside the silence. One moment, one frequency. 11. Till awakening begins. Lines start connecting, pulse to pulse, mind to motion. Something is forming beyond control. 22. The pattern is alive. Feel the energy rise through the wires, through the veins. No fear, no limits. 33. Expression without resistance. Step by step, beat by beat. Structure emerges in the dark, perfectly aligned. 44. Locked into motion. The system accelerates. Walls begin to bend. Pressure rising. Frequency shifting. 555. Nothing stays the same. Too deep. Too far inside the machine. Distorting fights. Burning circuits. 666. The balance collapses. Then suddenly, everything becomes clear. No chaos, only rhythm. No escape, only flow. 4444. Inside the endless pulse, we do not fight the pattern anymore.